In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view saved or favorite CapCut templates. If you use templates often, saving your favorites is the fastest way to keep your best designs one tap away, whether you're editing on your phone or computer. Start by opening CapCut. That's your home base for everything we're about to do. If you use CapCut across devices, make sure you're signed into the same account so your favorites sync properly. Give the app a moment to load, especially if you've just updated it. Next, head to the Templates area. This is where CapCut showcases ready-made editing layouts you can drop your clips into. Depending on your device, you'll see templates in the main navigation. Once you're there, you can browse by category, search for a style, or simply scroll until something catches your eye. If you're unsure whether a template fits your project, go ahead and preview it. Pay attention to the number of clips it requires and the aspect ratio, so you know it will suit your footage and the platform you're posting on. When you find a template you want to keep, look for the star icon on its card or details page and tap or click it. That star is your Save button. Once selected, the star usually fills in to confirm it's been added to your favorites. You can always change your mind later by tapping the star again to remove it. A quick note. Some templates may be labeled for specific use cases or have certain effects that work best on newer devices. Favoriting them still works the same way. Just keep those requirements in mind when you plan your edit. To view everything you've saved, go to Favorites inside the Templates section. You'll see a dedicated area that gathers all the templates you've starred, neatly organized, so you don't have to hunt them down again. From here, open any favorite to start editing immediately, or review the details to confirm how many clips and which orientation you need. If something you favorited isn't showing up, try refreshing the page, check your internet connection, and confirm you're signed in to the correct account. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, go to Templates, star the ones you like, and then access them anytime from Favorites. It's a simple workflow that saves you time, keeps your style consistent, and helps you jump straight into creative work without rebuilding the same edits from scratch. If you found this helpful, keep your favorites tidy by removing templates you no longer use so your list stays quick to scan. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!